Okay, so here's a little quickie review of the Keychron K3 Ultra Slim Mechanical Keyboard. It says K3D3 on here. Just got this in 2024 as a Amazon Prime Day thing, and this is a tricky one. I love that it's very thin profile. Up until recently, I've never cared about keyboards. I've been living on these Apple chiclet guys. I love the like minimalism of them, but decided that I'd spend much of my life typing, so I should probably explore the fun of this stuff. Um, so I've tried using this unit a fair bit, and over about 2 weeks now, and it's awesome. It's kind of a piece of art. Um, it's got a lot of really nice features. Pleasant to type on is not one of its features. Um, I find it fights me a lot, and I'm really disappointed. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. It's got this wonderful all metal, or at least the top panel here is all metal. It's a plastic bottom, but really like it feels so good, and it looks so nice. I like that it's got these little feet. Of course, it's not too unusual, but lots of features for connectivity. So it supports Bluetooth and cable based connectivity. You can switch between macOS and Windows modes, which is a minor difference between which functions these keys do. I love that they're shine through keycaps, but like each key has a lot of like wobble kind of play in it, which maybe isn't that unusual. I'm not really sure if that's relevant, but I noticed there's a K3 Pro where one of the like kind of subtle things they mention about it is they like stabilize the keys, and I kind of think so because as I type on this, I feel like there's kind of a crunch aspect that keeps coming up. Um, but uh, I don't know if you could find very many options, but these are replaceable keycaps. I would never replace these. I actually think these are perfect because they're shine through double shots. Like they're absolutely perfect. I don't know why every keycap isn't something like this. Um, these brown switches have a nice clickiness to them, a little tactile aspect, and you can pull them out and replace them. Not that there's a lot of in that form factor, but again, the thing kind of fights me. So I've already initiated a return for it. I'm really kind of sad to say, but if we switch it on, you kind of see how like just oh man, it's just awesome. Um, so I'll leave it on like such. I kind of like that mode. Maybe I'll prop it up this time and give you a little typing demo for what it's worth. So. So, it's not horrible. Like it is good, but I often find I'm kind of dreading using it. It's sort of sharp, and I've noticed like hair and stuff kind of tends to collect in there, and I don't know. I'm very torn about this one, and I've just decided I'm just gonna send it back. I mean, I've ordered a lot of other keyboards that I'm really enjoying. Probably the one that I'm enjoying more than this right now by a lot is the Keychron V2. This is an old one. I have another review on it. It's it's not, it really isn't that much bigger, and yet I just find it like way more enjoyable to type on. But I mean, this is probably down to personal preference. It might even be like if I pulled out the switches and lubed them or something like that, it might be amazing if I did. I'm not doing that. Parent, kids, I don't have time to get in the trenches, really. So, yeah, I don't know. Take it or leave it. So that's the middle ground I sit on this thing. I guess the other thing about it is I wish it had like VIA support. so you could configure it more and mess with like the firmware, but I guess it doesn't. So that's an opportunity for future version of this product. I want to love this so much, and it's just not quite hitting it for me. Oh well, moving on.